President uthyumuie wia Uhuru Kenyatta eweta kana syindu mbingi la wambiisye utongoini nisyaekaniwe nasyo ni silikali ila yivo na kwambiisya ingi itaaisa kutatithwa vandu vangi na kutuma maendeeo masyoka na itina. Aineena umbanoni wa kyama kyake cha Jubilee, Kenyatta niwawetekana walanyo wa mwaitu walinda mama niwavetangiwe na kuwete unyamao kwa enenthia ingi na vala ingi wakathiia itambia ya Muika ya kwenda kuwete utongoi utena ivithukanio sya umbai.
I have watched quietly the ongoings of the recent past and greatly admired the tribeless, steadfast courage of today's generations. A generation that knows what it wants and is determined to achieve it, whatever the cost. It is my hope today that as some of us give way, that those same young ones, with the same energy, conviction, and patriotism that we saw in the streets, you will be able to use them to transform the structures of our party, and ultimately you yourselves enter the corridors of power and high office and take charge of your own destiny. Men and women of integrity who can be trusted with our future. Men and women who have the courage to fight for what is right and just. Men and women with the patience to listen to those whom they wish to lead. Men and women with compassion for their fellow citizens. Men and women of wisdom, not pride. Men and women who know as human beings they can make mistakes but stand ready to correct them.
Mawakili wameona ni vizuri